I like to create a little road rage on my way to work.
If a little road rage lowers my hydro bill, I'm all for it.
The Macdonald-Cartier Freeway, Highway 401, cutting across the north end of Toronto. This is the busiest highway in the world. Every day, over 450,000 vehicles travel this roadway. That is 1.8 billion pounds of automotive force traveling at speeds that can exceed 100 kilometers per hour. That much weight is equivalent to 17 Titanic cruise ships, or 30,000 fully loaded 18-wheelers. Let's take a look at what that could mean. Here is a typical internal combustion engine. If we peel it open, we can see the piston chambers, the pistons, connecting rods, the crankshaft, and a gear on the end of the shaft so the engine can do some work. Fuel is injected into the piston chamber, where it is compressed and ignited, causing an explosion that forces a connecting rod downward, turning the crankshaft. This crankshaft connecting rod engine is very reliable and has been in use for hundreds of years. Okay, so for what we're doing, let's get rid of the parts we're not going to use. We'll just keep the connecting rod, crankshaft, and gear. Now we need to build a box. We can attach the crankshaft to the box with some bearings, hinge and spring load the top, and add a compressor. Okay, so now we are compressing air. Let's submerge this in a roadway, and we can add an air tank for storing the compressed air, and an air turbine generator for making electricity. Now for a quick test drive.
That doesn't look very green.
Yeah, it looks kind of brown.
No, Pookie, I mean it's just using coal gas to power the engine.
Oops, not a problem. We can just do a quick redesign. We can use the 4-stage crankshaft and the low-profile pressure plates attached to the crankshaft so it will offer drivers no more resistance than driving over a garden hose. We'll only install these units on downgrades where drivers will be coasting or even braking to maintain speed, making this a gravity-powered engine.
Gravity is green.
Yes, look, Dean.
We can submerge the air tanks and house the turbines in attractive buildings. This is the power plant of the future. Every day, more and more families are having their electrical service disconnected because they can't afford the cost of the existing green technologies, generation, and transmission. Imagine not having lights for your children to do their homework, or a fridge to keep your groceries from spoiling. With your help, we can change that. We can generate reliable, affordable green energy for a price that is lower than the cost of coal. We have finished design and are preparing to go into the shop for prototyping. By early 2016, we plan to install the first test units at roadways. This is our chance to make a difference and change the way electricity is generated.
Pookie, look, nobody is using the computers.
Yeah, let's play Minecraft.
Yeah, we can do that engine thing.
Okay.
Pookie, this is a good song. Turn it up.
I need wood.
I have some words. Killing creepers, breaking rocks, I can smell your dirty socks.
And Robin laid the egg.
Bam!
Every time I die, I'm gonna be thinking, didn't do well.
Bye, God. Didn't think I'd be completed this fast. Pookie, drive on the road.
Oh yeah.
Guys, it's time to get off the computer and go outside and play soccer.
Hooray!